Hey guys, welcome back to another swap video that I am doing with my bestest friend Anshita. Her Insta handle is Paper Edge Gifts and Crafts, so you can check her out. So Anshita is the bestest thing that happened to me in this lockdown, and I'm so grateful that I found a craft bestie and a best friend in her. So this swap is very special for me because let me tell you, we literally cannot spend even a single day without talking to each other, and this is super special. Okay, so let's dive into the goodness that I am going to gift her. So this is the box that I have prepared for her. I have decorated the box because I have a hint that Anshita likes decorated boxes. We were just talking and she was telling me how she used to decorate the boxes and all, so I just thought maybe she likes it, so I decorated the box too. So yeah, so I have pasted some polka dot paper, and this one here says happy birthday, it's your day. And this one here has this ruffled sticker here, and it says hello, happy day. And this one says celebrate, I heard you. And this one says make a wish. And then I have packed the whole box, so let's dive into the video. So the first thing we have here are these letter embellishments that I made for her. So I've attached this ruffled border here with the lace and the crepe paper roses. So here is my second embellishment for her, and these are giving it to her in 4 colors: white, green, red and yellow. So I've attached the ruffled border here with the sequins lace which says birthday, and all the sentiments here says yum cake, wish big, let's party. So yeah, this is my third embellishment, which is lollipops. So yeah, I made these cute shaker lollipops for her. So I have attached a grosgrain ribbon too at the bottom, and here I have attached a bag topper for her, and she can obviously remove it and reuse it on any other bag. So that is a cool idea. So this is the third one. This is the embellishment book. It's a folder which I made for her. So let me show it to you. It has an eyelet here. I have attached a pom-pom and some cute bow charms. Look, so cute. Then at the bottom I attached a tassel here, and this one has some beads, and I have attached her name Anshita here with a tassel. Okay, so on the top I have attached a circle doily which I have cut by myself, and sentiment, and then I have layered it up with some ephemeras. It says precious here, sweet. And then I've attached a mulberry flower with the leaves. Okay, so let's open this. So yeah, this opens like that. Then I have filled it with sequins. Okay, this opens up like that. So yeah, here are all the embellishments that I have filled in this embellishment folder. So these are some crepe paper rosettes that I have made for her, and these are some ruffled border embellishments for her, and these are some more ruffled border embellishments. And I know that she doesn't have, I know what she has and what she doesn't have. So I know that she doesn't have a scallop punch, and she loves it. So I have punched a lot of scallop circles for her. so that she can use it in her projects. Then here are some eye hooks from Dress My Craft which I'm giving her. And this is my handmade letter which says Anshita here, and here is a cute bow on the top. It's a leather bow and I love it. Look at the holographic sheen it has and the mirror cardstock. And I have attached, she loves resin, so I have attached a resin flower here for her. And this has a snap button, and I have laminated this letter so you can see. And here is my letter for her. So let me keep it. Then I'm giving her a sheet mask, because who doesn't need a sheet mask, right? Next, I'm giving her these sparkling bows from Dress My Craft because I know she wanted these. And then I made this cutest tassel for her. It's a pom-pom tassel. I've attached 2 disco balls beads here and a leather bow with a heart button and some sequins lace. So this is how it looks. She can use it as a keychain or she can hang it in her project, anything she wants. Then I'm sending her some chocolate, and I made a gift for her birthday, funky album for her. But I know that when I made my unicorn bag, she loved it so much. She said, I want one for myself. So I made a bag for her album according to her album size. So this is a unicorn bag that I am gifting her. This has some Dress My Craft shakers here at the bottom. I stitched the entire part. Then I have attached a tassel here. So, yay! I hope she loves it. Then here comes another cute teeny tiny box that I'm gifting her. I have used a ruffled border here and a star shaker and a lollipop charm from Dress My Craft and a lollipop charm here. And the sentiment here says life, and then I have stitched this one too. So I've used a holographic sequence here. Okay, so I've attached this crepe paper rosette and a gold foiled heart here and some enamel heart dots and then some chipboard ephemeras. So I'm gifting her some bubblegum jewelry from Dress My Craft. I know she wanted it, so I'm gifting these cuties to her. There are lollipop charms. Look how cute. Look. Isn't it so pretty? So these are some lollipop charms. These are bow charms. And one has to be my favorite. Look at that. The bow charm. And then we have it in purple color too. And this is ice cream. And here is another ice cream. I know she's gonna love it. Who wouldn't? These are so cute. Yeah. Then the gift which I bought for her is this coffee mug. She's a great coffee lover. She cannot survive without coffee, so the bestest option for her would be a coffee mug, obviously, because every time she'll drink coffee, she'll remember me. So it says my lady here. I call her my lady. So I have filled it with some coffee sentiments, and I have foiled it. At the bottom I have filled some polka dot rosettes for. I know she has been looking for polka dot crepe papers, so I made some polka dot rosettes for her. So these are all polka dot rosettes. Yeah. I also know that she doesn't have shaker slices yet, so what I have done here is I have revamped the pill box, and the idea came from Tony from Craft Purge. She did it, so I thought it's a great idea, I should obviously apply it. So I have attached a belly band here which says happy birthday, and these are the shaker slices that I'm giving her. These are some Mickey slices, some cupcakes, and some dessert mix, and rainbow slices. So these, isn't it a great idea? Thanks to Tony. Yeah. And then I'm gifting her some sequins from Dress My Craft. I know she loves it and she wanted to buy it, but I said please don't buy it, no, so that I can gift her. So this says you are simply amazing, and I have stitched the entire part, and then I have used some glitter lace on the top, and yeah, so these are the sequins. I know these are so pretty. Okay, then I packed this box. Look at the cute packing paper. This one has a very cute gift. Okay, so first let me show you these boxes that I made. So I wanted to gift her some bows, and I curated this cute box for her. It has all my bows inside, and there is another box here. So it has strawberry shakers inside. Look how cute these boxes are. So I've used rose gold cardstock to make these boxes. Why does it look golden? Does it look golden? It's rose gold. Okay, so let me remove this shirt, then I'll show you something which is very unique. Okay, so I made this, just a second. So I made this popcorn cart for her, and this one has a bow here. Okay, let me open it. So this is the top box, and this is the card. It has a cute bow charm here, and this one here says happy, and then I have pasted some paper flowers here. Now I have kept some embellishments inside for her. So this is a acetate embellishment that I made for her. I'm not gonna go into detail because I know she'll open it and show it to you. So I filled it with some holographic sequins because obviously it's Anshita. Then it's a heart embellishment that I made for her, shaker heart embellishment, and then I stitched it all. So this one also has some sequins, and this is a heart rosette. Sorry, this is a circle rosette. Look. And there are two more embellishments like that. So I don't want to make this video too lengthy, so let me just keep it back. Yeah, so I just hope she likes it, and that's why I made a separate box for her, because last time I sent a suitcase for Chami and it got damaged in transit, and it's inevitable, we cannot do anything about it. So all we can do is just be sure that the packaging is good. So I have made another box for this so that it will be safe, because it is so precious for me. Made this wooden decor for her. Like that. It says girl boss because she is obviously a girl boss. And the special thing about this wooden decor is it has her Paper Edge logo in it, and I didn't have any of these colors, so I just made all the colors with primary colors. When I made my Happy Place wooden decor for my craft room, she might not remember it, but she said that she wanted one in girl boss and that too in pastel colors. So when I was making her shop, I thought, why not give something that she wanted because obviously she wouldn't be expecting it, but I know she'll be surprised when she'll see it. Okay, so this is everything that I am sending her, and I hope she loves everything. So I have finally packed everything, and this is how it looks. All the packaging is done, and I'm just gonna place it in a box and decorate the box. That's it. Now wait for her reaction. Toodles!